Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Namaskar, welcome. बहुत बहुत स्वागत सभी लोगों का. This is your Gopi Coach Alistair Fernandez. Thank you so much for joining me this morning on a lovely Wednesday. And of course, today we're going to be doing Zumba, and that's why I'm wearing a T-shirt that says "Let's Nacho." Oh yes, we're going to let's nacho. Let's going to dance, and of course, and let's first get everybody on board. Going to be bringing down the stress, of course, by dancing, of course. कभी ऐसा कभी हुआ है that you have danced and you have moved and you have not felt good. I don't remember ever in my life कि मैंने कभी डांस किया है और मेरा मूड खराब हुआ डांस करने की वजह से. Like I always felt more energetic, more power packed, and I feel that I have forgotten my stress if I had any stress at that point of time for that particular moment, and I was in the next zone altogether. So yes, dance will always help you recover from any kind of stress if you are coming back from like if sometimes I remember when I was not keeping well, this is about early this year or something. मैं बहुत बीमार था, I had fever and all. This is much more before the COVID, so yes, let me clarify that as well. But jokes apart, I was not well, and I wanted to get back to class and take classes. I was getting bored. It was almost 7-8 days I was not taking classes. But the moment I came to class after 7 days, I was almost much better. I started dancing. I felt so good. I enjoyed myself that day, and it was one of my best classes I ever took because I loved it. I enjoyed dancing. So even if you are a dancer or a non-dancer, it should not matter because music can actually heal a lot of stress throughout your lifespan. Right? So let music help you to recover, rejuvenate, and always de-stress. Okay. Mahendra, good morning. Usha, good morning. All good. How are you doing? Azhar, good morning. Good morning, people. जितने लोग live आ चुके हैं, जल्दी अपना नाम नीचे लिख दीजिए and say hello, so I know you are here. And also make sure you keep hitting the heart button as many times as possible. Let's end the intro here and kickstart the warm up. Of course हम जुम्मा करने वाले हैं तो warm up करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. चाहे वो जुम्मा करो आप, do functional training, do HIIT, do any kind of workout. Warm up is very important. In fact, as per me, and that's the fact, warm up is even more important than the actual exercise. And cool down is also very important. So warm up and cool down should be there. But if you do less sets or less reps in your workout, that's fine. Always focus on the warm up and cool down because your body needs to prepare for a workout and also get your heart rate back down. That is safer. Alright? Always remember this. Keep this in your mind for any workout or any class. Always, though, if you have missed the warm up, do a quick warm up. Just mobilize your knees and probably do a few squats and push-ups, a few burpees rather, and just get your body warmed up and then get into the exercise. Never start exercising just because you got late. That's the bottom line. Okay, everybody, good morning. Manoj, how are you doing? And Ajit Kumar, good morning. Hi. Okay, so let me just quickly play the music and let's do some Zumba. Alright, so we're going to play the warm up first. Okay. 1 second. The speaker is not got connected. Okay, good. Alright guys, you guys ready? Dance. Alright, there we go. The music is back on. Let's go back. Let's play. Alright, let's quickly warm up first and then get into these songs. Alright. My playlist has disappeared as usual. Okay. This one's there. Come on. Ready? Okay, just 1 second guys. The speaker is not working properly. Give me a moment. Okay. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll play the phone. Play from my iPad, and I'll keep it near the phone, so you will be able to hear it. Don't worry about that. Kuchua. I don't know, something's wrong with the speaker. It's not working. Technology. You see, sometimes technology can be really bad. All right, I'm just playing the music. Tell me if you can hear it. All right, can you hear, right? Okay, let's go. Go. Come on, move your arms. Be still. Roll your hands. Reach up. Again. Stop. Hands up. One more time. Legs up. One more time. Hands up. Go. Legs up. Go. Come on. Keep going. Reach up, go. Side. And up. Side. Roll. Roll. One more time. One more time. Yeah. One. Alright, let's pause this for a second. Okay, guys, I hope you can hear the music. I'm so sorry about the speaker. Just a second. Okay, put off the fan as well. I don't know, my speaker stopped working suddenly. So, I hope you can hear the music. That's fine. We just finished the warm up. Let's go into the songs. Let's dance a little bit. Let's have fun. Alright. Alright, guys, let's go to the next song. What do we have here? Oh, we have these songs. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Okay. All right. That was a nice song. It's a very nice song. It's a merengue style, and it's a fantastic music. So in Zumba, basically we have all more or less Latin and Spanish styles. There is a merengue, there's a salsa, there's a cumbia, there's a reggaeton. So a lot of people put Bollywood, but I don't feel adding Bollywood to Zumba because Zumba is supposed to be Latin and Spanish, and that's the actual flavor. It's like going to a Chinese restaurant and ordering for pav bhaji. Doesn't go well, right? So yes, of course. So that's why I do not mix up my Bollywood songs with this, and also because of license issues, I cannot do Bollywood songs on the Goki platform right now. But there's something coming up soon, and I will keep you updated with that. Over there, we'll be doing a lot of Bollywood tracks, and we'll be enjoying ourselves even more. So stay tuned for that. Keep coming on my live. I'm going to be announcing something big very soon. Okay, so stay in touch. Let's go into the next style. We're going to be doing a salsa. Now this is my favorite song. I always add this song into my playlist because it's one of my favorite tracks of all time. As a child I have heard this, you have heard it, and you know this is very easy. It's called the Macarena. Come on, let's go for it. Let's go. Salsa. Ready? Go. Alright, step forward, front, back. Legs, 1, 2, 3, going forward. And cross. Hands up, cut. One, right, left. Cross the legs. Come on guys, have fun with me. Yeah. All right, having fun, guys. Everybody having fun. Step a little more energetic, please. Now, this is a song. It's a salsa song. You cannot put energetic. Guys, remember, the dance it's not necessary. ये हमारे इंडियन खून में होता है कि यार फुल पावर पैक नाचना है तभी जाके मजा आता है. Now, when there is something nice and sleek like salsa, if you learn salsa ever, it is supposed to be nice and easy. Also, because I can't see you guys, I have to keep the steps a little simple so that you guys can follow me. If I start going fast, I would not even know if you are able to follow me on the other side. No, and I have to take care of everybody. Alright, Amrita? So, don't worry about it. We'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get a little energetic. Don't worry about it. Energetic does not mean dancing full man. Energetic means you add your style. I am keeping it simple so that you guys can follow me. Once you get that perfect, you can add your own style. You can add your own energy. Enjoy it. Alright? First, so fine. If I'm doing this so that many people who cannot dance or who are here for the first time can follow. You can go as fast as, if I go this speed, you will be like, what the hell is happening? I cannot see, I cannot understand. So I have to keep it a little slow so that you guys can follow me and y'all can do it with your own energy. So everyone's pickup is different. If you can pick it up nicely, add that energy. If you want to go full power, you go full power, no problem. I'm going to keep it a little medium so I can cater to everybody. 678 people watching me live in the morning at 8 o'clock. Oh my god, that's a lot of people in the morning. Anyways, this next song is very easy, very nice, and a lot of fun. It's called Buzina. Okay, let's play. Let's go back. Start from the beat. Alright? It's a nice and easy song, a lot of fun. Let's go. Ready? Coming forward. Lift your legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, hey. Chega o calor, não dá pra controlar. Desce subiu, já vamos decolar. Eu quero ver quem vai segurar. High knees. 1. One time. Okay. Oh my god. That's an energetic song, isn't it? जहाँ पे एनर्जी लगानी है वहाँ पे एनर्जी लगाएंगे, जहाँ पे स्टाइल ऐड करना है वहाँ पे स्टाइल ऐड करेंगे. Alright? It's like if you're making a food dish and that needs to be spicy, it has to be spicy, of course. If it's not, you're making something which is not supposed to be spicy, it's supposed to be sweet, let that be sweet. Alright? So we, in Zumba or in any dance fitness format, we try and keep the style the way it is. If you're doing a bhangra, we can't do bhangra aram se. That style is supposed to be power pack. However, if you're doing a bihu, that is supposed to be a subtle dance. Alright, that has to be a subtle movement. So I can't do bihu like this. So bihu is always simple, very easy, very controlled. Nice, the music is different. So You always have to adapt to the music and dance to the style. That's how you keep the authenticity of the style and you enjoy that even more. Okay, let's go to the next style or next song rather. We still have about 1 second. Okay, we'll do this song after a long time. I'm gonna do this song after ages because this is one of my very old songs and it is absolutely amazing. It's called Todo El Mundo. If you didn't get the name, doesn't matter. Todo El Mundo. Enjoy it. Let's go.
Cuando te empieza a quebrar, pones el pulso a temblar. Tú lo sabes muy bien, eso te mueve a ti. Como lo sabes hacer, nadie te gana a ti. Cuando te empiezas a mover, nadie te para a ti. Todas las chicas quisieran bailar así. Cuando suena el dembow, tú mandas por aquí. Si lo bailas, dígalo por ti. Si te sacan a bailar, tú le dices sí. Como lo mueves doblemente. De la cabeza a los pies, tú eres feliz. Si bailan así con el mismo sentir, con tanta candela, no puedes subir la noche está. Joven, no puedo dormir porque lo hacemos así.
Come on, lift your legs up. Okay. Superb, guys. Fantastic. All right. I hope everyone is dancing along with me as well, not only responding. You can always respond in the middle of two songs. I will give you that 30-second break. So you can always respond in the middle of two songs. However, when I'm doing the song, dance it out with me. You will enjoy it even more. All right. So, and also if you have any difficulties, you can always ask. Now, we are always here to help you. All the Goki coaches here. So let's quickly cool down right now. It's important. I'm sweating like crazy. I don't know. You can see I'm dripping. I'm dripping. Okay, where is my cool down? Oh, here we go. Let's quickly cool down, get our heart rate back to normal. And if you have any doubts after that, I'll help you with it. Come on, let's go. Come on, keep marching.
Tú eres lo primero que yo quiero ver cuando me levanto. Sé que es difícil para mí ocultar que me gustas tanto, pero yo te seguiré buscando, porque no puedo disimularlo, así que ay, 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 quédate, me estoy enamorando, ay, 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 ven amorcita quiero llevar a
Stretch it out.
Sabaneta y darte un paseo en bicicleta. Ahora la dueña de mi planeta. Como montuya yo voy a llegar a la meta. Yo sigo siendo el mismo pelado del barrio. Solamente que estoy trabajando a diario. De la casa al estudio para el escenario. Y más de ti sonando en la radio. Cuando te veo el cora me hace boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Cuando te veo el cora me hace boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Ay, 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 ay. Quédate, me estoy enamorando. Ay, 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 ay. Ven amor, sigamos bailando. Ay, 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 ay. Quédate, me estoy enamorando.
Stretch. Only your torso, not your knees.
Ven amor, sigamos bailando. Yo por ti casi no tomo, pero quiero tomarme lo de nosotros en serio.
Stretch.
En la verdad del amor todo tiene su drama y su misterio, pero hace parte del propósito. Dios te puso en mi vida a propósito. Me tienes sudando como en el trópico. Es el correccional, pero
If you cannot balance, you can hold the wall. That's fine. Okay?
Boom, boom, boom. Cuando te veo el cora me hace boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ay, 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 ay. Quédate, me estoy enamorando. Ay, ay, ay,
Going
ay,
down.
ay. Ven amor, sigamos bailando. Ay, 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 ay. Quédate, me estoy enamorando. Ay, 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 ay. Ven amor, sigamos bailando.
Come on. Fabulous, people. Let's pause. Okay, it's already paused. Oh my god. All right. Usha, we are rocking dance. You are all our superstars, I must say. You all are fabulous and you all are so amazing. And I feel so good to, meet you guys every single day in the morning at 8 o'clock. Like, imagine at 8 o'clock in the morning, I have 845 people live. That is amazing. That is superb. All right, so we have Alia right now, and she's already live. As she's already live on Goki, and she's live on Facebook as well. So I'll tell you what she's going to teach you today. Let me check. Where's Alia? Alia's disappeared. Okay, let me check. 1 second. There we go. Alia is teaching stiff joints in the morning. Try standing Pilates. So a lot of people have stiff joints. Like my mom has knee problem and she has a lot of issues while she just gets up from her bed, and the joints are pretty stiff. So you can do Pilates or standing Pilates and obviously create that nice flexibility in your muscles, which can help your bones really move as well, so that stiffness reduces as well. So go and watch Alia's live right now. She is like live. She's already live. You can see that there. She's already live. She already has 97 people live. Go and watch her live immediately. I will see you back again tomorrow, live only in the Goki Play app.